you looking for a new TV stand and don't want to spend furniture store prices? Check out this minimal farmhouse collection by Walker Edison. The stand holds up to 250 pounds. It can be used for TVs up to 80 inches in size, and it also receives excellent ratings from over 5,000 reviews on Amazon. So this unit, all 3 shelves are adjustable in height. And behind each shelf, you're going to have a cable management cutout for all your cords to run through. And this unit is made of high-grade MDF and is quite durable. Dimensions of this is 70 inches long, 16 inches deep, and 24 inches tall. Okay, let's have a look at some of the finishes that are available in this model. A lot of the new trendy finishes, plus the traditional brown and black. And here's some examples of driftwood, reclaimed barnwood, charcoal, whitewash, espresso, traditional brown, and the always popular black. This next graphic is going to give you an idea of the inside width. It's 19.5 on the center and 20.5 on the outsides. Also want to point out that Walker Edison does make a model that has an integrated electric fireplace in the center instead of your center shelves, and I'll probably be highlighting that in a future video soon. Links for all the products are in the description of this video, and we'll see you on the next one. Thanks for watching.